Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 5 how to add your name to the public profile on GitHub using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a GitHub account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to GitHub, make sure you're signed into the account and then go to your profile. And now we can click edit profile from here where it says pro tip. Updating your profile with your name, location, and the profile picture helps other GitHub users get to know you. So click on edit profile. And as you can see from the previous tutorial, the information we added is in the public profile. So it says name. Now you can insert your name here. Once I've done that, your name may appear around GitHub where you contribute or are mentioned. You can remove it anytime. So we can update the profile. Successfully updated profile. View your profile now. Yes. My name comes up. The company name comes up. So we can Command Alt to refresh. Yes. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.